Hi guys, today this video is for your wives. So I have a new colleague, his name is KS, and some women may know him because he's pretty active on TikTok and IG, but most of his content are either in Bahasa or in Mandarin, right? I'm now at his shop and so salivating for women, man. See what's this? In this box. Look at the price. Alright, so all these, I think my viewers will be like, oh, I'm not gonna let my wife watch this. If those of you usually watch on your big screen TV together with your family, right? Oh, look at that. Now this color is so nice. Alright, oh. He also sells watches, belts. So essentially he is a trader. He helps people trade their collector stuffs. Usually it will be bags, watches, jewelries, basically luxury goods. And this is a whole new eye-opening industry for me. I'm currently at his shop because he joined me for a car launch this morning. And for those of you who wonder, he has multiple accounts, but this place is called Elbite. Right, Elbite. Yeah. And look at that. All items are 100% authentic. If it is counterfeit, there will be a full refund plus compensation of 3,000 ringgit. Alright, because for them, reputation is very, very important. And that's my first question as well. I asked him when, is there a fear where where some of the customers who collect all these, when they come and trade, right, is there a risk of counterfeit? So he said not so much, because they have the mechanisms to check and there are international, big websites with apps and all that for them to authenticate. Anyway, these are luggage bags. These look new, man. How much are they? 9,000, 3,000 MCM. Yeah. Oh, look at this. Oh, this is so nice. No logo. Very subtle. How much is that? 8,000. Not a crazy price. They look so new. Oh, that's a lot cheaper. 1,009. But that's MCM, not LV. LV is different thing. Look at that. Oh, this is 10,000. Now more and more men are using these bags, right? Even these. Oh my god, this is so nice. This is so nice. Shit. 13,000. This is so gorgeous, man. The color, the leather. So nice. Wait. Okay, my hands are clean. Oh, this is also beautiful. 8,000 ringgit. What is this? I have no idea. Oh, it's a Hermes. 12,000. And this is second floor. Second floor is the higher value items. That's downstairs. And look at all these. A lot of people buy, then they just keep. They just buy and keep. Yeah. And then they trade them. There's a whole new industry out there. Buying and trading. Yeah, I know what I'm looking at. This is a crocodile leather. Crocodile leathers are expensive. Yeah. So many options to choose from. Oh. Of course, I also buy these for my lady. And I notice LV finishing is really good. Of course, Hermes is great, but LV is very, very nice. Their finishing. Right. Yeah. I mean, that's the world we live in. There are people who collect watches, there are people who collect bags. I just felt that it's meaningful to have something, to spend money on something you like actually, right? These are newer designs, I think. Is this a mechanism where you twist and then you can open the bag? I believe so. Do I touch it? Can I? Nobody's looking. Oh yes. Oh, so satisfying, that click. Wow, the mechanism. Wow. Imagine, right? Cars, and then you have the glove box made of leather, and then you have this mechanism there, twist, and then you open. Oh, that feeling would be so nice, right? That feeling will be sensational. Oh, I just realized this whole wall are actually LVs. What about this? Oh, these are LVs as well. Oh, there are more jewelries here. Oh, Cartier. All the Cartier jewelries. Oh, that's a very nice watch. Beautiful. Beautiful. Yep. Yep. So 6,000 plus. Oh, this is so cute. This is so cute. Ooh, 14,000. I thought bigger should be more expensive. Why smaller, more expensive one? So, I'm not knowledgeable. These are classic designs, right? I guess so. They look very, very classic. What is that? Is this some limited edition thing? There's a little rabbit next to it. So cute. Never seen this. Oh, these are nice as well. 10,000, 13,000, 7,000. I know, that's called the Never Fool. I know that. And this is called Speedy. I got some knowledge on it. Let's look at this corner. Oh, these are all Chanel's. Oh, that's very nice as well. Very classy. Can I see the price tag? I wonder. 12,000. This is 8,000. This is 10,000. Oh, these are in boxes. My God. Really? It's almost as if every woman out there has one, and this thing costs 35,000. Wow. 22,000. Man, are Chanel's that expensive? I think my viewers are like, Bobby, stop it! My wife is watching, stop it! Oh, that's nice. 12,000. Oh my, that's special. Alright, what else? Ooh. Oh, there's a Hermes. This is a Hermes as well. I guess this whole wall is Hermes. Yep. Interesting. 19,000. Wow. My eyes are wide open, man. Yep. So he runs this place in 40 over 1,000. So this should be 60 over 1,000. 36,000. Wow. So those who are, I see those aunties taking bags like that in BSC, just flinging around. So it's actually a car, right? Yeah, that's my buddy, KS.
Hello.
Doo-doo.
Hello. Yes.
The founder, owner
Welcome.
of Elbite.
Yes, welcome
Yeah.
to Elbite Luxury.
Wow.
Where I can help you to save a lot lah.
Yeah, his videos all on TikTok and IG.
Yes.
Yeah, mainly to help you save money.
Yeah, yeah.
And I
Getting
was
the same things lah.
yeah, I was just saying I see those
Yeah.
ladies in BSc, t-shirt, shorts, holding something like that, walking around, and little did I know.
Yeah.
So what I know is, oops.
It's okay.
Usually, for someone to buy this in Hermes, if the bag costs 40,000, Hermes will require them to buy other things
Yep.
amount to 40,000 or more.
Yep. Pre-spend lah.
Like they call it pre-spend.
Yeah. So basically, there are depends on bags.
Yeah.
Depends on the model.
Yeah.
If it's a hot selling, then the pre-spend need to be 2x of the item. So meaning that if this bag costs you 40k, you
Yeah.
have to spend 80k on non-leather goods. So non-leather goods basically is all the scarf, the bracelet, shoes and clothing. But if you are buying clothing,
Yeah.
then it would be much more lesser lah for the pre-spend.
Oh,
Yeah,
so if you buy clothing,
yeah.
they can reduce the
Yeah,
thing
yeah, yeah, yeah.
because their margin higher.
Yeah.
So that's why coming here to KS
Yep.
will save you a lot of money because
yeah, yeah.
sometimes people buy this in order to qualify to buy
Yep.
Birkin.
Yeah. Yes. So all the Birkins and thing, and then
Wow.
some thought this is the signature of color of Birkins, right? But
Yeah.
this is actually one of the worst resale value color.
Oh, really?
Yeah. So basically, the gold color, the Etude color, and the black one is basically the top three.
Which is gold color?
Gold color is like this one, the brown. So we call it gold color.
How come?
I'm not sure. So this one,
Brown is called gold.
yeah, brown is called gold. Brown is called gold. Okay.
So
Then
that's
we got-
popular color.
Yeah, this
Black.
Etude. This
Yeah.
one is the one that in Chinese what we call it is like elephant grey.
Elephant grey. All right.
So this one is the grey color is a bit like the elephant leather.
Yeah.
So there's a lot of grey. So you can see the grey is different and different. Yeah, and
So
the black one.
orange
Yeah.
or pink is not the classic.
Yeah.
Oh. Then what would be the price of this one roughly?
This one is about 45.
40 or 45,000.
Yeah.
And that one is
So-
35.
Yeah, because it's bigger by 5 cm. So the bigger it is, the cheaper it is.
But in shop as well.
In shop different.
Oh,
Yeah.
but use value,
not
but
that
value
much different lah.
in
Yeah.
collector value.
Yeah. So the same size,
Yeah.
different color.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow.
But of course the year made also make
Okay,
a difference. lah.
okay.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yes.
So-
basically things like this lah.
So guys, Myvi, Ativa.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
No, Axia Ativa.
Yes.
Wow. Interesting. And this is level 2 and then they have level 1 as well. But now I think there's a customer there, so I don't think I should roll my camera down there.
Yeah.
So for those of you who your wife is angry at you because you spend money to buy another set of adjustable suspension, you upgraded your turbo again, and then you remap your car again, you give it a new fresh paint or a PPF, and your wife is like, last quarter you spent 40,000 on your car, now you spend another 40,000, you better bring her here so that she'll be happy. And for those of you who are watching this on the big screen, your wife accidentally walked past and saw it, just to let your wife know, we are at SS2 now, Elbite.
Yeah.
All right, and yeah, man, he joins me for drives. On weekend, he has a Porsche Cayman, so he's a responsible car guy. Cayman himself, and look at all that. You have the happiest wife,
Basically all the Chanel.
Yeah.
all that. Yeah.
Yeah, oh my god. All right, so there are a lot more, and I'm happy to open my eye and learn a lot more things. And there are t-shirts also over there, right? Whoa. Wait, look at all that.
Clothing and also
Even clothings as well.
clothing. But clothing mainly for men lah.
Mainly for men, right?
Yeah, ladies there's like just a few
Even shoes. All right.
shoes.
Yeah, and then he has this comfortable, beautiful place for you to come and experience all this at, you know, very intimate one-to-one service. All right, so, yep. And I'll bring my wife. Bro,
Yes.
I have an event on the 24th of May
Okay.
where I bring a couple EVs
Okay.
that I like for people
Okay.
to experience.
Okay.
And I'm a happy customer of Sime Therapy, so
Okay.
they let me use that place.
Okay.
Of course, also because they are launching a very exciting project.
Okay.
So I'm wondering if, let's say, I give you a budget of 100K
Okay.
to offset some of the costs
Okay.
of the bags.
Okay.
That would be nice, right?
Yes.
Say for example, these, right,
Yes.
in the shop, how much do they retail for roughly?
Roughly for 22K.
20 plus thousand
20
lah.
plus, yes.
So on the day itself,
Yes.
10K boleh.
10K.
10K can ah?
We
Each.
can, if we got 100K budget lah, if we can make it lower. Yes.
So would that be interesting?
Yeah.
On 24th of May,
Yeah.
and KS will bring some exciting stuffs over, and they'll be
Yes.
offered at exceptional prices.
Yes. Definitely. See you guys.